Hello everybody, I'm Alisha and welcome back to Ceramic Pro Kochi, and today I'm here with a brand new Honda City in radiant red color. We have already done platinum, white metallic and lunar silver metallic. You can find those videos on Ceramic Pro Kochi YouTube channel. Honda City is the fastest selling Honda model in India. So being the fastest selling car, it deserves the best treatment available. So it is in the house for Ceramic Pro Protection, which will protect it against all kinds of environmental damages. Ceramic Pro coatings will be applied on all kinds of surfaces like paint, chrome, plastic, alloys and glasses. So here we begin. Let's start with our process, beginning with the stage 1, which is detailed wash. After super high-end professional detailing, this beautiful Honda City is now ready to rotate its wheels on the roads with super high shine on it. This beautiful radiant red metallic color has came out so beautiful to amaze the people around. It is protected against all kind of environmental damages and achieve the hydrophobic property, which will protect it against all kind of oxidation, corrosion and different kinds of water damages. The proud owner of Honda City has protected his investment. Are you willing to protect your investment? So please visit us at Ceramic Pro Kochi and we will be glad to assist you. So yeah, make sure you enjoy this video and I will meet you again with a super amazing car. Till then, take care, bye-bye.